Hi friends, this is Akram. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a tutorial for Python beginners. Here we are going to learn complete Python from beginning to advanced. And we are going to learn complete code along with practice. While I am writing the code, you too also simultaneously practice the code, and I will be giving you the complete material of Python and code which I am writing in the IDE, which will be given to you in the description of your video. So let us start our session with Python. What is Python? Python is a general purpose, interpreted, interactive, object oriented, and high level programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum and which was released in 1991. And I think everyone know about what is interpreted language. I will explain you more here. Interpreted language is nothing but which will processed at runtime by the interpreter. You do not need to compile your program before executing it. This is similar to your Perl and PHP programs. And coming to interactive, what is interactive in Python? You can actually sit at Python prompt and interact with the interpreter directly to write your programs. And what is object oriented program? Object oriented program is a based on concept of objects which can contain data and code. Data in the form of fields and code in the form of procedures. This is called object oriented programming. And coming to high level programming language, I think everyone know about this. High level program is a nothing but programmers can easily understand and interpret or compile the high level language in comparison of machine. Examples of high level programming languages are C, C++, Java, Python, etc. So here we are using Python, so we call it as a high level programming language. It is a user friendly language and it will take very less memory. Easily we can understand, easily we can debug. It is easy to maintain and it is very portable. It can run on any platform. No need of any machine. Here it needs compiler or interpreter for translation. It is widely used programming language. And coming to second one, where we use Python. Nowadays Python is using everywhere. We are using Python for creating web applications, artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, and OpenCV. In artificial intelligence, we are writing the code of Python only. And in machine learning also, we are writing the code of Python only. In deep learning also, we are writing the code of Python only. And in OpenCV also, we are writing the Python code. So coming to third point, why we are using Python. It will be works on different platforms. It works on Windows platform, it works on Mac platform, Linux platform, Raspberry Pi, etc. It has a simple syntax similar to the English language. Easily we can understand the Python code. It is a very easily can be written. It is a English language. It is a case sensitive language. It has syntax that allows developers to write programs with fewer lines than some other programming languages. Python runs on an interpreter system, meaning that code can be executed as soon as it is written. This means that prototyping can be very quick. So this is our introduction of Python. In the upcoming classes, in the next video, we are going to install Python and we are going to practice Python, and simultaneously you people also do practice, and I will sharing the theory part and complete coding which I am showing to you. I will be keeping in the description of my video. So if you like this video, please do subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to click on bell icon, because when I upload new videos, it will get prompted for you. Thank you.